guys, Pizza here with another tutorial, and today it's going to be on the 90-degree turn. For those of you who don't know, the 90-degree turn is a half 180, usually done twice to gain high ground at the expense of exposing yourself. Usually used at the start of a build fight to get high ground, or to catch up shooting at you. So firstly, I'm going to go over them really slowly, just to show you the motion. And then it's really important to do a circular motion with your arm. So that's all for the video, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe. I'll be doing daily content now. You know, it's really important. I got a Twitch channel going. I stream every Thursday from 5 to 12. Pop into that if you want to see some really good gameplay. That's it. I'll catch you later, boys.